Alright, so I got bored of the break-in procedure, so fuck that. 35 hertz. Not bad for just firing it up. It's literally been playing for 10-15 minutes. 55.9 at 36. The normal way that we meter, just when we're doing testing. Mic is on the glass. Driver door was open. We compete in Mecca, so we'll move the mic to the headrest once we get it broke in. So that's it. We had the clamp on it, so we'll see how much power that was. They're gonna do the math right now. Real time, so I'm not fibbing here. That's two Phoenix Gold Elite ones wired at 0.7 strapped. Single alternator, 4 batteries. And like I said, it's been playing 27 hertz tones for 15 minutes or so. So we're not going to call the batteries topped off. But clamped, and we already know it's clean. 8468 at 2.3 strap. Not bad for some 3200 watt amps. What did we just get? 4100 a piece. Clean at 35. Yeah, they are beasts. They are beasts. More than pleased with the new Phoenix Elite stuff. We're almost, I mean, the subs are cool and we love the woofers, but we're almost more happy with the amps than we are the damn woofers. Phi SP4s, they're custom ones made for us. Nothing too crazy, but it's not your off-the-shelf SP4. Thanks goes to Sean Fleming and Scott Atwell at Phi Car Audio and Ascendant. And Clay Nelson and Ken Wiseman at Phoenix Gold. These guys helped us get this truck up and going. 80. Oh, I guess they looked a little bit farther on the video and got 8600 clamped out of the two. So that's it. We'll have some more later. See ya.